Give me your gun.
But, sir.
Give me your gun.
But, sir.
I said no, Duval. Your cover's blown. Your partner's in the hospital. And you have nothing. You have nothing at all.
I have a lead.
That's not enough. It's not enough. The last 5 months of undercover work has gone down the drain because you. There's no way I'm sending you back in.
Then make me a part of the team. But don't sit me behind a desk.
Priscilla, no one wants to work with you. It's your temperament.
Luke and I had to go our separate ways. And you know that, sir.
Stop. It's about time that you take responsibility for your actions, because all of them have consequences.
What do I need to do? I can't sit behind a desk.